This is a second part of multiple choice questions for especially NORCET. We can discuss some 10 important corona related questions and 10 community related questions. First we can discuss corona related 10 questions. How many days remain coronavirus lockdown phase 1, 2 and 3 in India? 44 days, 51 days, 54 days, 60 days. Correct answer is 54 days. Total 54 days are there. Total 54 days. How much amount does the Indian government allocate as a relief package for the country to become self-reliant? Rupees 20 lakh crore, rupees 21 lakh crore, rupees 19 lakh crore, none of this. Correct answer is rupees 20 lakh crore. Rupees 20 lakh crore allocate as a relief package for the country. How much percentage of GDP is the declared amount for COVID relief package? 10%, 11%, 9%, 12%. Correct answer is 10%. 10% of GDP is the declared amount for COVID relief package. MERS was spread over the first in which country? China, Saudi Arabia, Qatar, Dubai. Correct answer is Saudi Arabia. MERS full form is Middle East Respiratory Syndrome. Middle East Respiratory Syndrome. MERS infects humans, bats and camel. N95 meaning of N. Not permit the virus, not reusable, not porous, not resistant to oil. Correct answer is not resistant to oil. N95 meaning of N, not resistant to oil. The N95 mask blocks at least 95% of very small dust particle size 0.3 micron, 0.03 micron, 0.4 micron, 0.2 micron. Correct answer is 0.3 micron. The N95 mask blocks at least 95% of very small dust particle size 0.3 micron. Size of COVID-19 virus 1.25 nanometer, 0.125 nanometer, 125 nanometer, 12.5 nanometer. Correct answer is 125 nanometer, 125 nanometer, that is 0.125 micrometer or 0.00012 millimeter. 125 nanometer is equal to 0.125 micrometer or 0.00012 millimeter. The latest study coronavirus can travel up to dash meters. 2 meters, 6 meters, 7 meters, 4 meters. Correct answer is 6 meters. That is 20 feet. 6 meters, that is 20 feet. The latest study coronavirus can travel up to 6 meters. That is 20 feet. 80% of COVID cases affected which route in world till now? Droplet infection, surface to hand, then mouth or eyes, air infection, food. Correct answer is droplet infection. 80% of COVID cases affected droplet infections. Quarantine period against coronavirus is 10 days, 14 days, 7 days, 11 days. Correct answer is 14 days. Quarantine period against coronavirus is 14 days. So now we can go to the community questions. Which is added to remove temporary hardness of water? Sodium hydroxide, calcium hydroxide, calcium carbonate, sulfur. Correct answer is calcium hydroxide. Calcium hydroxide added to remove temporary hardness of water. Which of the following mosquitoes breed in dirty and polluted water? Anopheles, Culex, Aedes, Mansonoids. Correct answer is Culex. Culex mosquitoes breed in dirty and polluted water. One-day-old baby first immunization is DPT, MMR, Haemophilus influenza, BCG vaccine. Correct answer is BCG vaccine. One-day-old baby first immunization is BCG vaccine. Dose of BCG at birth is equal to 0.05 ml. Dose of BCG at birth 0.05 ml. Dose of BCG above 4 weeks 0.1 ml. Dose of BCG above 4 weeks 0.1 ml. BCG given intradermal route. BCG is a live attenuated vaccine. BCG is a live attenuated vaccine. BCG stored at temperature 2 to 8 degrees Celsius. BCG stored at temperature 2 to 8 degrees Celsius. Case finding in revised national tuberculosis control program is based on sputum culture, CT chest, sputum microscopy, Mantoux test. Correct answer is sputum microscopy. Case finding in revised national tuberculosis control program RNTCP is based on sputum microscopy. Sputum microscopy is one of the most efficient method of identifying TB infection. RNTCP started in 1962. Sputum microscopy is one of the most efficient method of identifying TB infection. RNTCP started in 1962. Which of the following is not a saturated fatty acids? Linoleic, lauric acid, palmitic acid, stearic acid. Correct answer is linoleic acid. Linolenic acid is not a saturated fatty acids. Lauric acid, palmitic acid, stearic acid are the examples of saturated fatty acids. Some of the other examples of saturated fatty acids are butyric acid contained in butter, lauric acid contained in coconut oil, myristic acid contained in cow's milk. So butyric acid, lauric acid, myristic acid also saturated fatty acids. One subcenter cover how much population in hilly areas? 5,000, 1,000, 3,000, 2,000. Correct answer is 3,000. One subcenter cover 3,000 population in hilly areas. Subcenter is the most peripheral health system in community. Subcenter is the most peripheral health system in community. One subcenter cover 3,000 population in hilly, tribal or difficult areas. 5,000 in plain areas. One subcenter cover 5,000 people in plain areas. Other name of beef tapeworm. Nematodes, Taenia saginata, marine nemertean, annelids. Correct answer is Taenia saginata. Taenia saginata is a zoonotic parasite. Taenia saginata cause abdominal pain, diarrhea, nausea and intestinal obstruction in humans. Taenia saginata is a zoonotic parasite. Following which is not a viral disease? Diphtheria, polio, typhoid, cholera. Correct answer is cholera. Cholera is not a viral disease. Other options, diphtheria, polio, and typhoid, are viral diseases. Cholera is a bacterial disease causing severe diarrhea and dehydration, usually spread in water. Cholera contaminated with a bacterium called Vibrio cholera. Scrub typhus is spread to people through bites of infected chiggers, means worm infection, larval mites, mosquitoes, inhalation. Correct answer is larval mites. Scrub typhus is spread to people through bites of infected chiggers, means larval mites. Scrub typhus, also known as bush typhus, is a disease caused by a bacteria called Orientia. Scrub typhus, also known as bush typhus, is a disease caused by bacteria called Orientia. Scrub typhus is spread to people through bites of infected chiggers, larval mites. Scrub typhus is spread to people through bites of infected chiggers or larval mites. Father of social medicine, Rudolf Virchow, Edward Jenner, John Snow, Ruska. Correct answer is Rudolf Virchow. Father of social medicine, Rudolf Virchow. Edward Jenner first discovered first vaccine smallpox. Edward Jenner discovered first vaccine smallpox. John Snow is the father of epidemiology. John Snow is the father of epidemiology. Ruska discovered first electron microscope. Ruska discovered first electron microscope. So that's all for today's video. Small video. Study 10 questions from community health nursing. Thank you for listening. Please like it, share it, and subscribe the channel. If you are new, please consider subscribing. Thank you.